Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh.
Yes, Miss Gray.
Sorry to keep you waiting. Lady Clark's condition requires regular care. I believe you want to ask me a few questions.
Indeed, mademoiselle. This porcelain is remarkable. Is it old?
It's about 3 centuries old, I believe. Wait, let me find the reference.
So genau wollte ich das jetzt auch nicht wissen. Die ist weise. Right. Gucken wir uns nochmal an.
She appears to be very flustered.
Hat sie geweint? Hat die geweint? Schneller Atem. Was war das?
Just
Mund.
a minute, please, Mr. Poirot.
Teilweise verwischter Lippenstift. Sie
She's
umgemacht.
unable to hide her emotion, and her makeup has been disturbed. I think that this young woman has just been kissed.
Here? Teapot with black dragon, Gangshi period, end of the 17th century. It is a rare piece with unusual colours.
You have a good knowledge of art history.
Acquired while working with Sir Carmichael. I used to help him manage his collection and choose his new acquisitions.
Fragen, ob ihr Geschenke gemacht hat. Fragen, ob es ihr peinlich war, für einen älteren Mann zu arbeiten. Wieso? Fragen, wie ihre Beziehung zu ihrem Dienstherrn war.
Did you have a good relationship with your employer?
He treated me well, and I am sorry for his death.
Have you seen any strangers hanging around in the past few days?
No. Nobody has been near Comside.
Fragen, wo sie während der Tatzeit war, nach ihrem... Ja, das wäre gut. Ah ja, das fragen wir.
What
Müssen
were
wir
you doing
fragen.
yesterday evening at the time of the murder?
I was sleeping. I was woken by the telephone at 11. I heard Franklin Clark speaking with the gardener. They left with some lanterns and they found the body.
Wir fragen direkt, oder?
Am I right thinking that something is going on between you and Franklin?
How dare you ask me such a question?
Ist sie wütend?
Mademoiselle, it is difficult to hide things from me. He kissed you earlier, did he not?
My goodness, with Sir Carmichael's death, I was feeling so awful, so worried. I was unable to resist.
I am not judging you, mademoiselle.
Miss Gray, if I may be so bold, please do not take offence. My friend has rather unusual methods, but all he wants is to find the murderer.
Yes, I understand. I must rest. Please
Ungewöhnliche
excuse me.
Methoden, ja.
Earlier, you asked me to watch the living room door for you. I don't wish to be indiscreet, but sometimes a gentleman stumbles upon a secret without intending to.
That is sometimes the case.
And I saw Franklin Clark kissing Miss Gray at the foot of the stairs.
Do you think this is a common occurrence?
No, I saw emotion, intensity. I think it was their first kiss.
Well done, mon ami. Well spotted.
However, I don't think I completely understand this business. Why did Sir Carmichael not defend himself? He appeared to have been active and strong.
The murderer did not give him a chance. Let us try and reconstruct the scene.
Rekonstruktion. Wir versuchen es zu rekonstruieren
Sir Clark
jetzt.
is taking his customary walk. Our killer is hiding behind a bush.
Er wartet noch.
The old man walks quietly along the gravel path.
Bewundern.
Then he turns towards the sea to gaze at it.
Ja, Mann. Wie jetzt? Ja. Shit, dude. Keine Ahnung. Spielt das eine Rolle? Ja, wegen... Was hat er? Der Messer hat er rechts in der Hand, oder? Dann ist besser von rechts, aber... Ich weiß es.
The killer leaves his hiding place on the right-hand side. He
Ach
approaches
so,
silently
ja.
over the grass.
Ach so. Okay. Kehle durchschneiden.
Then he throws himself on his prey and cuts the poor man's throat.
Ich glaube, das haben wir
He
richtig
then lays
gemacht.
down the ABC before leaving. Everything appears to match the crime scene, Monsieur Hastings. That is exactly what happened.
Erfolg! Agatha! Warum ist denn der voller Blut?
Oh, just a minute. I'm getting dressed.
Hallo? Oder ist es kein Blut?
Mr. Kirst, have you recently returned from Churston?
Yes. Indeed I have.
Have you seen the papers? And to think that you might have rubbed shoulders with the killer. Imagine that. Mr. Kirst, are you all right? You don't seem well.
My apologies. My throat is burning and my head feels heavy. It's ever since the war, you know. Since my injury, my head has never been the same.
Chat!
Poirot, it's a pleasure to be with you again after all these years. I looked for a gift to thank you, and I found this propelling pencil.
An authentic collector's item. You spoil me, mon ami.
And you more so by sharing investigations.
Do not underestimate the help you are to me, Hastings. Intellect is not everything. There is also goodwill, and you are not short of that. Later, I will ask you to help me tidy up the room and bring some chairs. Our guest will be here soon.
Ah, is Thora Grey coming?
Naturally. She is a fascinating young woman, n'est-ce pas?
Oh, come on, Poirot. I'm a married man. Miss Grey has already been courted by Franklin Clark. Poirot, our guests will be here soon. We must prepare ourselves.
Was passiert hier?
I should take advantage of the silence to
Es sind
examine
alle
them.
irgendwie hier, ne? Einen modifizierbaren Gegenstand erhalten. Wähle zum Modifizieren einen Gegenstand im Inventar aus und drücke zum Untersuchen die Dreiecktaste. Drücke anschließend R1. Alright, ja, okay. Aber was machen die? Also warum sind die alle hier jetzt? Ach, okay. Ja, und jetzt? Was kann ich denn tun? Verstehe es irgendwie nicht. Okay. Feder. Was machen wir denn damit? Was soll denn das? Ich verstehe es gar nicht. Wieso haben wir denn das gemacht? Einfach so. Also ich habe ja das jetzt einfach gemacht, weil das Spiel gesagt hat, ich soll. Ich habe jetzt nicht gecheckt. Wieso? Hier, da neue Informationen, da neue Dings.
Donald is always on edge.
Donald. Immer nervös, Mann. Geballte Hände. Ja, geht so. Augenringe. Die Augenringe deiner Augenringe haben Augenringe.
Leave me alone.
Bill Boy. Irgendwo ist noch was. Hallo? Irgendwo hier muss noch was sein. Ich check's nicht. Da vibriert's.
Leave me alone.
Ja, okay. War halt schwierig.
Donald Fraser is very nervous at the moment, even if he's trying hard to control himself.
Wir gucken alle an
She
erstmal. Ne?
appears to have taken more care with her appearance than the last time.
Mond! Ja, das war jetzt aber nicht der Ohrring eigentlich. Aber ey. Donald anziehen. Kette. Okay.
She's looking at Mr. Fraser out of the corner of her eye. Did she make herself beautiful for him?
Was jetzt nochmal? Das ist die Schwester von der, die am Strand ermordet wurde. Und das ist der Freund von der. Oder? Und die steht halt auf den. So viel wissen wir.
The song says, "Sometimes I love a blonde who comes from Eden by way of Sweden. But I am not sure that this blonde is an angel."
Ja, wie sie
The
nicht.
song says, "Sometimes I love a blonde who comes..."
Das haben wir da schon. So, ich kann nicht genau.
Sometimes I love a brunette, sometimes I love a blonde. That's what the song says.
Ja.
Franklin Clark always seems at ease, regardless of where he is. Something that's unique to people who travel.
Wieso 1 von 2?
I hope to concentrate on my guests.
Einfach nur sprechen.
I wish
Right.
to thank you all for coming. I wanted to bring everyone close to the victims here in order to unmask the murderer.
Get to the point, Mr. Poirot. What do you want from us?
Megan nach dem Grund dieses Treffens fragen. Warum soll ich sie fragen?
Megan, dear girl, please be patient.
Mr. Poirot, how dare you address me by my first name?
Please excuse me, mademoiselle. What I ask is that you search your memories. The murderer must have left some tracks.
Yes, he must have prepared his crimes very carefully.
Tout à fait. He did
Tout
not
à
get
fait.
to Bexhill at midnight in order to strangle a young girl whose name by chance starts with P.
Must we go into that?
Natürlich
Mr.
müssen die sich
Fraser, please get a grip on
zusammenreißen.
yourself.
Well, I want to help you, but I don't remember anything else.
War nicht das
Nothing I
Richtige.
haven't already said.
And you, Mademoiselle Barnard, did your sister say she was seeing another man?
She never would have told me.
Why would she hide the fact from you?
Betty knew I didn't approve of her
Mach
behavior.
alles
Her
falsch
flirting
gerade.
was spoiling any chance she might have had.
Tell me, Mademoiselle, what did you talk about with your sister?
Silly things. Her new dress. She wanted a pair of black stockings to go with it. Mother bought her a brand new pair. The day it happened, she was crying. And to think that Betty never even wore them. Poor Mummy.
Your sister used to sing, I believe. Did she ever perform in public?
She dreamt about it, but she had a very bad cough. It troubled her greatly. She had to cancel auditions and miss lots of opportunities. A pity.
Yes, she sang well, but that doesn't tell us much about the murderer.
Qui sait? In any case, we now have enough information to draw up a relatively precise psychological profile.
Ja, er spricht, Mann.
Let us now try and get our brain cells to work.
Ich hab